Okay, so we're back. We got a new battery in the GoPro, so sorry about that little pause there. But what we were doing was basically commenting on the impact damage and still having to finish off these nails with the roof snake via hammering or nailing. And this time, with this impact damage here, ID. It has changed the condition of the shingle using that tool. So at this time I'm going to go back to just using a traditional lift method that is kind of preferred to continue installing these fasteners. So we're going to lift here. Once again, only lifting as high as we need to. Due to the mat transfer over here, I am going to have to kind of work around that, so I'm going to go just here to the left, set my nail, go, shingle 7 here. Number 7 has a little bit more tension on it due to these shingles above not being unsealed. You don't want to seal anything unnecessary. Alright, there. 2 more in here, just make sure they're nice and secure. And once again, now, we're working around mat transfer on this assessment shingle, but now we're dealing with in a normal repair. This shingle would be new. These would have the mat transfer on it, which is going to create them, make it so they don't reseal and permanently. And then now if there was any mat transfer like there was here for number 6 and number 7, it's going to just create complications where finding a good place, secure place to not, where I guess the integrity of the shingle has not been weakened, and we can actually put a good fastener in. Know that it's going to hold. Okay, so at this time we have removed our assessment shingle, we put it back in, we've reinstalled our fasteners, we have mat transfer from assessment shingle to number 2, mat transfer from assessment shingle to number 6, mat transfer from 6 to 7, and a pull through on number 6 as well. And then by using the roof snake, we have a small impact damage right here, which is just going to prevent these shingles from being in a good state. At this time, I can't really recommend that a spot repair would be the best solution for this. Maybe we need to address actually replacing the entire slope. So thank you very much for your time.